In this instructional video, I will guide you through the process of setting up a custom Namecheap domain on Systeme.io. The goal is to have the domain configured to link to Systeme.io in about 5 minutes. First, you need to log into your Systeme.io account. Then click on the profile icon in the top right-hand corner and go to Settings. Under Settings, you should see Custom Domains. By default, your Systeme.io username will be the default URL, but you can add a custom domain by clicking on the domain and entering the desired domain name. To obtain a domain name, you need to go to your Namecheap account, select Dashboard, and go to the domain list. Choose the domain name you want, copy it, and paste it into the Systeme.io custom domain field. After successfully creating the domain, it's time to configure it to link to Systeme.io. Go back to Namecheap, find and select your domain, and click on Manage. Check to make sure Namecheap Basic DNS is enabled. If enabled, go to Advanced DNS and delete all records under Host Records and add a CNAME record. Go back to Systeme.io, copy the CNAME record and paste the www field into host, then paste all the code after www to value and save changes. Add another CNAME record and repeat the process for the target field. Once confirmed, the domain will be pending validation, which may take up to 24 hours. You can check if everything is set up correctly by using dnchecker.org.